What is going on, dear people? Today I'm going to be demonstrating you how to resolve any issue regarding a wired headphone if its wire is damaged, because mostly the wire is damaged. So in my case the upper side of the wire has been damaged, so for that I'll need to get inside the headphone using a screwdriver. So if you wanna see a repair of a headphone jack, then be sure to tell me in the comment section down below. I'll be making a video about that as well. But for now, this is the scenario that I was dealing with and I resolved it accordingly. So these headphones are very simple, and getting access to the board, now what I will be doing is that I will be detaching these wires, but do not rip them off. Use a solder and just melt the solder away and just detach them easily without damaging the board, because that part is very important. So keep that in mind. And after detaching the wires, now what I'll be doing is that I'll be chopping off the suspected part and prepping the wire for its next attachment. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be applying the soldering wire onto this headphone wire using the soldering iron, because the coating is very necessary for a successful connection. So as you can see, I am applying the soldering wire onto this headphones wire. So after this is successful, I'll place them in the correct order like they were previously. This is a very important point. And after attaching them using the soldering iron correctly in the exact position, I'll test out the sound. And after testing that, I have ensured that the sound is perfectly fine, so the headphone is working, and I'll put that headphone back into its original condition by putting the cap back onto it. So this was a very successful challenge for me, and it is very easy. You can do this in less than 5 minutes if you are skilled enough, and if not, it is no big deal. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.